Experiencing issues with your Metro by T-Mobile hotspot? Here's a breakdown of common causes and fixes. First, ensure your plan includes hotspot data and that you haven't exceeded your limit. Check the My Metro app to monitor data usage. If data isn't the issue, verify your device's compatibility, especially if it's an older iPhone, as some struggle with Metro's SIMs. A simple restart or toggling airplane mode can resolve temporary software glitches. For persistent problems, reset your network settings on iOS or Android. Update your carrier settings via Settings General, About on iOS, or System Updates on Android. If none of these steps work, contact Metro support via chat or phone for further assistance. Remember, peak usage hours may also affect performance due to network congestion. To optimize your Metro hotspot, start with data management. Understand your plan's hotspot data allocation. Exceeding limits causes throttling, slowing down your connection. Enable data saver mode on connected devices to reduce data usage for non-essential tasks like app updates. Conserve hotspot data by connecting to public Wi-Fi when available for tasks that don't require your mobile data. In rural areas, upgrade to a 5G compatible device and Metro's unlimited plan for faster speeds compared to 4G only coverage. For security, use WPA2 or WPA3 encryption on your hotspot to protect your connection from unauthorized access. Regularly update your Metro app to access troubleshooting wizards and bug fixes that improve hotspot performance. Be aware of deprioritization on some unlimited plans after 15 gigabytes of hotspot usage, which may slow your speeds during peak times. If you reach device connection limits, upgrading to a higher tier plan can support more connected devices for your hotspot.